Do you ever want to just jazz up your holiday ham? Here is a jerk smoked ham, courtesy of Reggae Spice. First, you want to add some binder. I'm using some Dijon mustard. You're going to rub it all over the meat. Sprinkle some bouillon, as much as you want, depending on how much you want to change the flavor. And just rub that all in. Now we're going to smoke with a light smoke in my Weber kettle, and that's just using a little bit of applewood to get that applewood flavor. Let that smoke for about 3 hours, really low, maybe about 200. Now, when you're finished with that, mix your glaze packet and add about a teaspoon of the sweet and sassy jerk marinade and spread it all over the ham. And now you will smoke for another 1 hour to let that glaze set on the ham. And wow, delicious. Don't forget to check out Reggae Spice.